a massive war memorial thing. Overlooks a lovely park with a big fountain. I set up my camera on this block here to climb over it to put the camera up, and I got told off by a Russian guard, but he left. So I climbed over everything and set up my camera again. The old town of Ulan-Ude is all wood. It's all old school Siberian wood. Kept them warm in the winter. The problem with wood is that it burns. It burns. Reach our first stop, Sludyanska. It translates to shithole. Big shithole. 2-minute walk that way is Lake Baikal, the largest freshwater lake in the world. Right, I'm at a place called Port Baikal. It's on the edge of the lake. Our train just got here. In fact, that's it leaving, going back the 7 hours we just came. And in a complete quirk of Russianness, the final boat for the day to go to the next destination goes before the only train arrives. Which, whatever, man. But we've got this little motley crew over here. Some dude thinks he can organize something because they're Russian and this is what they do. And just like that, a solution has been found. A private boat. It sounds exotic, it sounds luxury, but it's definitely not going to be.
Right, but no, wait. If you want, I will do it properly then. Easy. And you have to know the song, of course. I should maybe do an introduction or something.
I'm not going to use the audio. So I'm walking in Irkutsk to the Kazan Cathedral, which I've been told is the best thing to see. I'm hoping it's good because there's not a lot else to do here. My footpath to the #1 tourist attraction in the city. Just mix some concrete, lay it down flat, problem solved, man. Yeah, it's alright, I guess.
All of me, why not take all of me? Can't you see I'm not good without you? Take my lips, I want to lose them. Take my arms, I'll never use them.
Alright, for those of you that can read Cyrillic, that says Irkutsk. This is the train station, and we're about to hop on a train for 19 hours. 19 hours to go to Krasnoyarsk.
To the part that once was my heart. So
And this is our little closet that we're staying in for the next 19 hours. It sleeps 4, but we're really hoping nobody else comes. It's going to be very tight. We've got food, water, books. Right up the end there, they have hot water. So if we need to, we can cook noodles, and we have come prepared.
of me. Woo!
It's fantastic. It's incredible.
It's a cool song. You know that song?
I've never heard it before, no.
Really?
Yeah.
It's like a classic jazz song. In fact, I have to sing like this. All of me. No, I'm so. Fuck. I don't know what's the next
I'm not
one.
even sure if the lyrics are sad or happy. Like I can listen to them both ways. And it's just
Yeah.
like, take